Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. When Jesus did say, "Render unto Caesar the things that are Caesar's, and unto God the things that are God's," what you think him did mean? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear what God has said in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 20 from verse 20 to verse 26. Then them watch Jesus like ark. Them hire some man in a secret for go on like say they're honest. So if he say nothing wrong, then could I catch him and turn him over to the Roman governor who in charge of the area. The informer them question Jesus. "Teacher, we know say you talk and teach were right. You're not partial, but you teach the right sitting, but what God want. It right for we pay tax to Caesar, the Roman ruler, or we not fi pay nothing." Jesus see through them trick and said to them, say, "Show me one money. Who for picture and name depon it?" "Caesar," them answer back. So Jesus said to them, say, "Then give Caesar what a fee, and give God what a fee." Then couldn't trap him with what him say in front of the people them. And them so frightened for hear how he answer, then couldn't say a word. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.